Good day to all the employers. My name is Nelgy B. Forgadas. I'm 34 years old from Pasig City, Manila, Philippines. I am married and I have one kid. He's 10 months old now. My hobbies is singing and cooking. My special skills are hardworking woman, time management, and teamwork. My highest educational attainment is college level. And also, I have 6 years experience of housekeeping and nannies in Kuwait City. Being a nanny, I can do my responsibilities on my duties to take care of the baby, like changing the diaper on time, cook them food, what they want, give them food, shower, and also I teach them how to say the good words like thank you, please, and welcome, or etc. And also I teach them how to be kind to others and respect the others. Being a housekeeping, I can cook, clean, laundry, iron, and etc. To my future employer, I promise to you, I will do my best to do my job well, and I promise to you, I will be honest all the time and everything. That's all. Thank you. God bless.